First, look up the Mahalo car share website. Click on the Book Now button in the top right corner of the page. Now find the date and time you would like to rent a car and which cars are available. Today I'll be renting the Honda CR-V. Then click on the Add to Cart, and when you're ready, hit the Checkout button. Enter your promo code, if applicable, in the promo code box. Then fill out your information, name, address, and phone number, and don't forget to read and accept the terms and policies. Once you've done that, go ahead and continue to payment. First, you'll receive a confirmation email containing the details of your purchase. Next, you'll reply to this email by sending a photo of you holding the front and back of your driver's license and a student or PCC work ID. After you send in your picture, you will soon receive another email containing a step-by-step process for pickup and drop-off, as well as the vehicle's lockbox code and location. Once you arrive at the car's location behind the Polynesian Cultural Center's parking lot, do a quick walk around and take notes of any existing damages. Next, locate the lockbox on the passenger door handle. Take the key out, then remove the lock from the car door and place it in the glove box where the car registration and insurance information is included. Then send in an email confirming you picked up the car. After you have finished your drive, please make sure the car is fully refilled and cleaned of any personal belongings. Take the lockbox out of the car, reattach it to the passenger door handle, and place the key inside, and don't forget to shuffle the dials. Lastly, send an email confirming the time you have returned the car. Mahalo for choosing us.